If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select All to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting problem with the SQL data. So this is kind of continuation to the previous video which we have shown. So in the earlier video we have, based on this match data between Rajasthan Royals and RCB, we derived the bowler stats. So now we'll derive the batsman stats. So that is the total number of runs, total number of balls faced, and what is the strike rate. So I would recommend you to watch that video before going through this video. You can see the video on the top right of this video. You can go to that video. And so first, I'll again mention what is the schema. So you have the innings, the first innings or the second innings, the over number, the ball number, the batsman, the bowler, the non-striker. If it's an extra type, what is the extra type? What is the total number of runs scored by the batsman in this ball? What are the extras and what are the total runs? Total runs are nothing but batsman run plus extras. What is the, if it's a wicket delivery, 1. If it's a wicket delivery, then who is the player out, how he is out, and who is the fielder, and who is the batting team. So now this is the select star. So now what we have to do, so select from match details. So same thing, batting team, comma, batter, comma, sum of, here we want only the batsman run, so extras run will not come under batsman. So sum of batsman run as total runs, comma, we need the bowlers total balls faced. So count, so instead of sum we have to use count of ball number. It will give you total balls faced. So now here it is simply group by batting team comma batter. So if I do this, we are getting this in this way. So if you see here in Rajasthan Royals, they have the Padikkal, he has scored 9 runs and 12 balls faced, and also Butler, he has scored a century in the 60 balls he has faced. Virat Kohli scored 7 in the 8 balls he has faced. And again we have to one more column, so we'll show this in this format. So 106 star, comma 60. So that means the batsman has scored 106 runs. If it is a star, that means he is not out, and this is the total number of balls faced. Suppose he is out, we have to see this in this format. The star will not come. If the star doesn't come, that means the batsman is out. So now for each batsman, we will show the final result in this format. So for this, to show the data in this format, we need the logic to keep star or not. So whether to keep star or not, we need to see if the batsman is out or not. So to see how do we see if the batsman is out or not? So basically if you see, if the player out is the batsman name. So select distinct player out from match details, where is wicket delivery is equal to 1. So only if the wicket delivery is 1, this player out will be the name of the player will be there, otherwise it will be always be NA. We don't want NA. So in this way we will get the players who are out and players who are not out. So with CTE, I'll keep this in a CTE in this way. And now what I'll do a left join with the CTE, left join CTE B on A dot the batter is equal to B dot the player out. Suppose, and here case when suppose the case when if the player is out, that means in the left join, in the left join you will see the data. If the player is not out, you will see null. So that means when B dot player out is null, then no, else yes, and as is player out. So now if I run this, okay, we are getting one more, we need to add this as well in the group by, because we are not doing aggregation on this. So now if you see the player is out, yes, no. So here Josh Butler he is not out, and also for Bangalore, Hazelwood is not out, and Shimron Hetmyer is also not out, and Shahbaz Ahmed is also not out. So for these players, we need to show the star mark. So now I'll keep this in one more city called stats as, or batter stats as. Okay, so now select star from batter stats. So select star from batter stats. So instead of star, we want batting team, comma batter, comma. So we'll use the concat function, concat of total runs, comma this, comma total balls faced, comma as batsman stats. So now if I run this, so we are getting in this way, but here we are not seeing whether we are not showing the star mark. So we have to add the star mark as well. So that is before this bracket. So case when is player out is equal to yes, then we will show the star, else blank. So once we execute this, yeah, if you see here, okay, I think we player out is yes. Okay, if the player out is no, then we'll have to show the star, else we have to show the blank. So now yeah, so now what we have get, Rajasthan, Josh Butler is not out, so he has a star. Shimron Hetmyer is not out, he has a star. Similarly, and Bangalore, Hazelwood has a star, and Shahbaz Ahmed has a star because they are not out. So now we have got this batsman stats. Now we have to get the strike rate. Strike rate is nothing but the total runs scored divided by the total balls faced. So total runs divided by total balls faced. So we have to do into 1.0 as strike rate. Okay, I think we have to do into 100 because strike rate is percentage. Okay, you are getting 75.00, 176.66, but you are getting lot of decimal numbers. We'll round it to 2 numbers. So round total number, this one, comma 2. So we'll round it to 2 numbers. We'll see. Okay, but still the zeros are coming. So again we have to remove the additional 0. Let's keep only 2 decimal places. So cast, what I'll do, I'll convert this into numeric of 18, 2. So this 2 is nothing but the total number of decimal points. So yeah, if you see here, now everyone has this strike rate mentioned. So Josh Butler 176.67 has the highest strike rate, and lowest is 0. De Silva has 0. So in this way we'll get the batsman stats. So hope you are liking this content, because with great difficulty I have generated this IPL data. So if you like the question and also the explanation, please click on the like button so that YouTube will know that you are enjoying the content, and stay tuned for more questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.